Monsamang mong di mahasaw Tunamas Council kili vote ke jok phan tok skep mate 70%. Difu Diocese jersong song along Catholic atumpen pangri panglona se KKP. Raki ke chohor mua packet arlo hijim meme kititang api ke long. Karbi prime time along penili Wilburn Krupi nang biyo tangton pen arjoik tha. Difu Sirikang ne ward number 4 along Simon Children Park Camp picnic spot along Arkoni Phai Chrysler Cape Arni Cardius Chanala tumpen Kamridam. Simon Children Park Camp picnic spot ahem phu Moniram Hansepen Patir Piponsi Sirikang ne balong Mesena Park ing Pupon. Labang so park along Lake Kadukawi pen Chiri Plian Doposi Park ahem phu pen Pachini. Laben bang so park damtang suri hinida trainer ke baningkan mati jonga chikloni pha ingkora ke thap arnisi kang pupon alam ta than Pachini. Labang so park along ke jui kilang dam jap inut along sika ingkoi usumara tumke anam pinang ni lapen picnic ke chu damatum sika pharu hinir an pinang ji puta Pachini. Moniram hanse alang like bukulia phongsok peta sor lapen non difu rong supi along se alang lihem do.
Thang chiklo pen
year bangke
2018
pen এইটো আপোনালোকৰ ইয়াতে বাগানত কি পোৱা যায় কি আছে ফেসিলিটি দলো
এপিনি মোৰ হাজবেন্ড হেমাসৰ পাঠানিং না
ফেসিলিটি গলা লজে কিছু কিছু দিম দলো লাপেন সমার কি দিম দলো লাপেন আকো ইনিং যে পৰং হাইলো হে সমার এন্টারটেইনমেন্ট ফান দলো লাহেন চলা লাপেন আকো নার্সারি পিনি তালং প লাহেলো 2018 মানে ইনোগ্রেশন কে মানে কিবালো 23 December 2018 support ke kivang tuman ke maduta support le hedi aning samlo madule bang taning samlo anang thenglo paning samlo maduta support pa tenglo support se gyong lo public tuma comment ma ke mipiglo madule bang tame aning samlo thek polong lo mane private pen first time lang muditi karbing long ke ma san maduta me mane aning nang sam kang lo mane le pen a hirjume pinen na pikang lo mahelo
Dimahasau Tunamas Council kilik ing samjin lapen ward ke jok phan trok se capso se pusi haflong pen card salong biota nang pale kiton kilang ke pangchingang bong arkoi khri isi arni khri yang deng Dimahasau Tunamas Council kilik pado pontanglo nona phong la so council kilik along kado kabi bang pharu isira baing ko resir ke babang pu bang piatum kilika football along chipate dun lak isira suri ing korai hinira bang pharu ke thamra bang plikebra isi water arat angbong ward ke jok phan trok se keba Kadokawe inkoraner cap MEC ang hoya farman pharu hinira trucks cap polling station along voter atum mithang ratcha raja kong chihar jakpon non click karja duna bang pu bang phiatum occupy EVM arlosi dolo Karbi anglong la pen west Karbi anglong farman Roman Catholic atum pen pangri pangnona sikki pon biotanan hejong pherang ke pen card ni salong biotanang pali Kedautang suri hinira krep ho anikan kajathan kachimom bidi suri pen chenglok penan ason kajathan ponji la pen sikki ponji phan pura kachiprai pona jok jer songa song difu along sikki pon pado pininkan mate suri hinira kresur keba bahagiram tang arkoni phai hini arni pen ni phai ingora chok si arni an pangri pangrona sikki pado pon bomlo bangso sikki pon along Karbi group pen bang pharoi sira ner kep kebra kithoma phai chetong dun sikki pon along prejama Paris tumta chetong dun Seki kipi ponalong Reverend Father Nelson Teron, STB Joseph Teron, John Timur Administrative, Abraham Teron Lapen Alang Lichor, Iris England P, Hamren Paris Council, Paulos Rongpar, Sampriatur Chief Editor, Lapen Sister, Get Case Atum Chetong Dunsi, Seki kipi ponalong RDP Dun. Namalam sopor pan bir tamu ing topodik sana. Please tap in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair perming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 6001 863 460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, Diffu. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, Rukasan, Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo Piputhar Birtalang Bangthalo. Diffu Sunrise KDB English High School along Arkoni Pai Trainer Cape Arni Ingora Poangdeng Abhang Ketek Arni Aliralon Pen Katalon Pona Birta Perang Kepen Katni Sosahem along Birta Nang Pale. Diffu Sunrise Academy English High School Linkan Ingora Pokechok Aliralon Pen Katalon. Sunrise Academy English High School Management Committee MIP Panchami Busamatari Pen Kichari Pon Amai Long School Principal Sohan Prasad Mahato Pensi Mai Alam Thila Pen Alhi Kipachina Por Enno Nabang Swaja Megalong Alhi Sarpo Aman Pen Abarim DAV Higher Secondary School Principal Materat Cycling Bang DN Mishra Chetongdun Manpen Alhi Aman Pen Abarim DAV Higher Secondary School Athan Bang HM Sarma Lapen Kichapa Alhi Aman Pen DAV Higher Secondary School Principal Didi Deka Lapen DAV Higher Secondary School Athan Bang Robertson Tiron Atumta Chetongdun Anparta School of Smart Pen Chenglok Pen An Abang Fubang Pietumta Chetongdun Siningkani Gora Pokechok Arni Alir Alon Pen Catalon along RDP Dun.
We have seen many ups and downs. We have got average student. The main speciality of Sunrise Academy is that with the help of average student, we have produced brilliant results so far. Diary. I have one diary. Yes. There is a piece. Yeah, red color. Yes. Many of the students, those who have failed in different institutions, they used to come to our school. And with that.
Raki ke cho tum kachere kenang sot Raki ke cho packet arlo along hijim me lapen Ioge prana phan ka phere me ason ke long la puson tado kedam tang Arkoni Pai Trainer Cape Arni isi Raki ke cho packet arlo along hijim me ki thitang appi ke long birta pheran ke rustom tok bipen katni so sahem along birta nak pali Dokmuka Phongbirik Lunsek Timung Arong Orisu Monsing Tisu Dokmuka Hitia Kulat Along Pen isi Raki ke do hormu Vimal Puchunamlo Raki hormu ke choji pura a packet ka cho hangahut packet arlo along ureng ki thita long lok pasi pachini Lasi Raki ke cho rat atum kacheriak kinang sot Raki hormu hiti kulat along kinang pik Ajok kaselama tumta ureng chot kali ajada pita jok dunpo Non bangso packet along ke ureng ki thita long tam Ajawa packet along ke ajada pita ingjir dun imat patuklap lapuson ta haipo lasi lahai Raki ke do hormu ka chunam pen kacheriak kinang sot Raki hormu ka selama kompanya tum ke amethang ale mate tangka ke pangurba phansi ka selam chot Raki ke chotum ke sub cholong lok nap ke masapta ardi ki bipon avelo Karbi prime time birta bangkila pas kangton poniglo dumi thakmi kurong thu